Exceptional great good place. Exceptional. Easy check-in and check-out. Clear instructions were given by the host. Need to place a deposit of 50 Singapore dollars through bank transfer/pay now, but will be refunded within 24 hours after checkout. One of the queen beds was very comfy. Will book again if going JB again. Good place to stay for vacation. The room was very clean and check-in was quick and easy to do. Loved the facilities provided. Exceptional very clean and the host very quick response if any inquiries. Best place to stay in JB Town. Good choice to go if you guys here in JB Town. Easy to deal and you will be guided clearly on how to check in. Overall, definitely will come here again. Walking distance to KSL Mall and good location, clean and easily accessible to KSL Mall. Many eateries around the area. Check-in and out was very easy. Host is super responsive and clear instruction was given to the property. A small and great apartment for a family of 5. The studio apartment may look small but enough bed for a family of 5. Exceptional good and place to stay in. Clean place very suitable for a quick trip. Great host. All done systematically. Maybe 2 lift access card will be good. Enjoyed our stay. The room was very clean, big and spacious, with the air conditioning working well. Although the building was very old and run down, the room was very nicely furnished. There's even a bathtub in this room. Check-in and check-out was very easy too and the homeowners were very responsive. Exceptional fast and excellent service. Exceptional. I'd really like to thank for the wonderful service. The homestay was perfect, we really enjoyed ourselves. Had an amazing time, heart. Very convenient staycation is just perfect to relax with connected mall. So convenient. Small kids enjoy the bathtub since pool is closed due to MCO. Exceptional good. Near mall. I stayed at level 31. Tuesday got Pasar Malam at nearby street. Reasonable price and friendly staff. Check-in and check-out process a bit difficult because limited visitor parking. Other thing is perfect. Satisfied the check-in and out process should be improved. Assign 1 staff at site to assist us during check-in and out.